Greetings and salutations, test takers. This is Series 7 Guru coming to you from my off-grid studio, getting our kicks on historic Route 66 with an explication request. This is Kaplan QID 1559282 about inventory valuation methods. If you have a explication request, you can send it to explication request at guruexamprep.com. Kaplan, you just can send me the QID. If you don't have a Kaplan Q Bank, I highly recommend it. With the Guru 15% discount, Guru 15 at checkout, that discount code, you can get the Series 7 Q Bank for $55.80 over 3,600 performance opportunities, is what I call practice questions, with a performance tracker that helps you identify areas for remediation, best in class. For that commercial, Kaplan allows me to give you a free look on Kaplan content like this. All right, in a rising price environment, which of the following inventory valuation methods will result in the highest reported earnings? So what this is really asking us about is where do we have more margin using FIFO or LIFO? We should have been able to eliminate C and D because C and D aren't inventory valuation techniques. It's going to be LIFO or FIFO. So we should have had a 50-50 just knowing that. Let's just use widgets, right? If I have inventory and widgets, it would be expected that the widgets that are in inventory longest have a lower cost. And so if I'm using first in, the first widgets I bought into inventory are the first widgets I'm selling out of inventory, we would expect my margin and therefore my earnings would be higher. And so that is the answer to this question. The answer to this question is A. Let me, whoop. If I were using my widget example, and I'm using last widgets into inventory, or the first widgets out of inventory, the idea there is I have a higher cost on the last widgets that went into inventory first out. Therefore, I'd have lower earnings, but probably have a more accurate idea, particularly in an inflationary environment, about what my cost structure is. So here the answer is first in, first out, highest reported earnings. And again, it would be the opposite for choice B. I don't think you're going to get much of this. This is a very, very low probability question on Series 7. You're going to get more balance sheet kind of things as it relates to income statements, financial statements on your 65, 66 than you are in your 7. So if you tell me you missed your 7 because of inventory valuation methods, I'm going to say, I don't think so. I think you have bigger problems elsewhere. But remember, inch by inch, inventory valuation is a cinch, yard by yard, inventory valuation is hard, and I will see you for the next explication request.